Online seller ka ba? Dapat online at automated na din, pati accounting mo. Hindi lang basta pagbebenta ang trabaho ng online seller. Ikaw na ngayon nag-aasikaso ng inventory, ikaw pa nag-aayos ng orders, ng delivery, and ang masakit, ikaw pa, yung bookkeeper. So to save time and energy while still maximizing the benefits of regularly producing financial reports for yourself, kailangan iwan mo na yung manual bookkeeping. Let me show you how. Number 1, bank reconciliation. Instead na mano-manong ilista ang bawat deposit at expense, ilink mo na yung bank account mo sa Xero. It will automatically import and match transactions. Pwede ka pang mag-set ng rules. Halimbawa, laging may 500 pesos monthly subscription. Meron kang ganyan. So Xero will auto-categorize that for you. Less stress and fewer errors. Number 2, inventory tracking. Sa Xero, pwede mong i-record bawat product na binebenta mo. May costing, may selling price, at saka may stock level din. So, kapag nag-invoice ka, automatic na babawa sa inventory. Hindi ka na, mahuhuli when it comes to reordering the best sellers na meron ka. Number 3, e-commerce integration. Kung naka-Shopify ka, pwede mo i-connect yan directly kay Xero. Wala nang double encoding. So lahat ng benta, shipping fees, tsaka returns, auto-sync na yan sa dalawang software. Mas accurate na yung books mo, real-time pa. And lastly, reports for decision making. Hindi mo kailangan maging accountant para maintindihan ang negosyo mo. Kasi sa loob ng system, may cash flow reports, profit and loss, balance sheet. Automatic available yan sa loob ni Xero. May kita mo agad. Saan na ba ang business ko ngayon? So if you're tired of guessing at your finances and want to finally take control of your business, maybe it's time to automate. This is the power of accounting automation. And if you're interested to know more, send us a message. Laging tandaan, basta accounting, i-automate na yan.